The Middle East is once again on fire, and this time the battleground is Yemen. The world knows Israel has launched fresh airstrikes on the Yemeni port city of Hodeidah, and the Houthis are hitting back with air defenses. Let me tell you what exactly happened here. Well, according to Israel, Hodeidah's port isn't just for ships that are carrying food or fuel. They claim that it is a hub where Iran sends weapons to the Houthis. And those same weapons, Israel says, are later used to fire drones and missiles at Israeli cities and allied targets. And that is the reason why Israeli jets hit what they called military infrastructure at the port. But the Houthis, they are not staying silent. As expected, their spokesperson, Yahya Sari, announced that Houthi air defenses confronted Israeli jets, caused chaos in their formation, and even forced some planes to retreat. He described it as great confusion inside Israeli ranks. Now, this particular clash didn't happen in isolation. It came just days after a Houthi drone slipped past Israeli famous Iron Dome system and slammed into the southern airport, shattering glass and injuring at least one person. Now, for Israel, that was a major embarrassment. And you know what their response was? A wave of airstrikes on Yemen's capital, Sana'a. Now, those airstrikes, however, sparked outrage. Why? Because dozens were killed, including 31 Yemeni journalists. In fact, funerals were held this particular week, broadcast live on Houthi-run TV, showing row of coffins draped in cloth carried out of a mosque for the mourners. The attack even damaged the National Museum of Yemen in Sana'a, hitting not just people but cultural heritage as well. In the meantime, Israel argues that it targeted Houthi intelligence sites, a propaganda office, and fuel facilities, accusing the Houthis of running a very sophisticated war machine with Iran's help. But from the ground, the images tell a very different stories. Destroyed neighborhoods, smashed infrastructure, and grieving families. Somebody just as Gaza. And remember, this isn't new. For nearly 2 years now, the Houthis have been targeting ships in the Red Sea, disrupting global trade routes. They say that they are doing this in solidarity with Palestinians in Gaza, but their reach has gone far beyond Gaza border now, directly provoking Israel and threatening one of the busiest shipping lanes in the entire world. So here's the big picture. Israel versus Houthis. Well, this isn't just about Yemen. It is about Iran's shadow war with Israel. It is about control over the Red Sea. It is about how the Gaza conflict is spilling into a new battleground. The Houthis, a militia once dismissed as a local rebel group, they are now a regional player, forcing Israel to look south even while fighting in Gaza. Right now, the world is watching closely because if this continues, then the Red Sea, already one of the most dangerous waters for the ships, could become the next global flashpoint.